A big hole in the Pacific Ocean is leaking in the ocean water. And if this continues, then by 2050, the biggest flood will come. Recently, some researchers from Washington University have detected two major tectonic plates of our planet in the water. They help to make them slide smoothly in the water. They help to make groundwater. Reserves beautiful, but unfortunately, the researchers who have big holes in the water are leaking in the Pacific Ocean. And by this, the friction between the plates will increase, which can trigger a tsunami that can turn the US high, rise buildings into mud. Now just imagine how to waste groundwater easily in your village or city.